If you want to temporarily fix your exhaust, I'll show you a few ways to do that. If it's on the hottest part of the exhaust, this furnace cement works. It goes up to temperatures of like 2,000 degrees, which is a lot. It's made of sodium silicate. Further back on the exhaust, you can use Bondo, but if it gets too hot, this will burn off, so you don't want to use this in the front. Put this stuff on, you want to use a rubber glove. I'll show you where that exhaust leak is right now. You can hear it, you can see that exhaust coming out. There's typically a gasket in here, and you can actually see that the gasket is broken out. I could pull all this apart, put a new gasket in, but I'm going to use this sodium silicate. If you buy muffler seal, this sodium silicate is what you're going to buy anyway. Furnace cement is a lot cheaper. The problem with this stuff is it's very brittle, so if you have it on a flex pipe, it's not going to work. It's best that the exhaust is warm. I'll push all the sodium silicate into that cracked area. I packed it all the way around. Now, I may go ahead and just order that gasket, and this will buy me some time. It's not going to be the heat that fails, but if it moves around in there and cracks out, that'll be the problem. If I can let this dry for about 12 hours, that would be great. Start it up and see how it sounds. Everything sounds good again.